Welcome back to Coding To Do. In today's video we're going to tackle a classic problem, which is determining whether a number is even or odd using Python. So let's get started. So to start, what we'll do is we'll define our function, and we'll call this even or odd, and then we'll use n as our variable, which will be for number. So inside this function, what we'll do is we'll use a modulo operator. This operator gives the remainder of a division. So when a number is divided by 2, if it leaves a remainder, it is odd. If it does not leave a remainder, it is even. So let's code this out. So we'll do if n for our variable number, and then we use the percent sign, 2, 0, we'll return even, else we'll return odd. And then now let's set our variable n to 8, for example, and let's print this out. And let's run the code. And there we go. 8 is an even number, so that's working properly. So let's now change this number n to 3, and let's run the code again. And we get an odd. That's because when we run the number 3, it's an odd number, so it's going to leave a remainder, which tells the function that it is odd. So let's go back up here. What if we wanted to focus on finding an odd number to start? So let's go back up to the modulo operator at the very top. So we can keep the %2, but let's go over to our 0 and we can change this to 1. And let's change these to odd, and then else return even. And let's clear this out. Let's change this number to a 15, and let's run the code again, and it is odd. There you go. And let's change this to 16, and that should return even. Cool. There you go, and that's it. An easy, effective way to check if a number is even or odd in Python. If you found this tutorial useful, remember to hit the like button, share, and subscribe for more insights. Until next time, keep coding.